Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook to Shopify. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser. Once you're here, you're going to click on Online Stores or the Sales channel. Click on the drop-down. In here, you can search for Facebook and Instagram. You can type it in, or if you see it in one of the search results, you can tap on it. This one over here. Now this will lead you to another tab. In here, it goes to apps.shopify.com, Facebook and Instagram. Just tap on the button that says Add App. Once you click on it, wait for the website to finish loading. This might take a few seconds, so bear with me, please. Thank you. In here, it's asking for permission. All you have to do is tap on Add Sales Channel. When you scroll down, you will see more details about this transaction. Once you click on it, wait for the website to finish loading. This will now lead you to another tab. It just needs a quick refresh and then wait for the website to finish loading once again. Once you're here over at the sales channels, you will now see Facebook and Instagram pinned to your profile. Now you can click on it to browse your new sales channel. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.